Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. I hope you all had a great New Year celebration, and I hope you guys are ready for this 2022 because it ain't easy out there, y'all. But anyhow, I want to come on and do a review for this product. This is a great way to start the new year. I know I haven't done a video in a while, but this is from this company called Cocinare. I hope I'm saying it right. They sent me this blender. You guys know, as much as I love to eat, I love to do some smoothies and juices when I get in my healthy kick. Okay, so you guys, if you want to see how I review this product, stay tuned. So listen guys, I was definitely struggling when I was trying to open this box. As you can see, I ripped it. But if you, unlike me, follow the instructions. So there's a little tip right there that says open. So go ahead and peel that off. And just like that, it will open. Again, don't do as I do, do as I say, okay? I was over here struggling, y'all. So anyhow, when you open the box, this is what it looks like. The power, the change. And they have a little book inside. Really cute packaging. Again, a big thank you to them for sending me this product to review. So, Cocinare. Okay, I think I'm saying it right. If I'm not, I do apologize. And they have a member card. And I'm pretty sure these are some recipes. Oh, this is getting exciting, y'all. So these are some recipes and some quick start guide. Yes, 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 I love it. So here and here is some recipes. This look good. Tropical Heaven. I might have to try that one. Red Madness. Ooh, I know I love this right here. The Power Berry Smoothie. So they have a couple recipes which I really love when companies do that. Okay, so I'm going to put them to the side, and of course you guys know we are going to give a recipe a try. You know, when I do product reviews, I always give you guys little recipes. So anyhow, let's remove this spongy looking package. Ooh, yes. And it's a red one too. Sometimes I know the box is red, but sometimes you don't get the same color product. And I love this. You guys know most of my kitchen stuff is red. So that's all that was in the box. So I'm going to move the box to the side. And it is just a nice, look like easy to use blender. So I'm going to take this thing off the cord here. So you basic plug in right here. And this is the cup, the blender cup. As you can see, it have the bottom to plug into the base. Oh, yes, honey. So it have a cup. Oh, I'm excited. So it have a cover for the cup. So it seems like this is the base, of course. And when you would use it, you put this like that in the base. You can hear the click, and then you blend your stuff. So it seems like once you're done, let me see here. Hopefully I don't break anything. You can see this is the sharp bottom that blend your stuff. Once you're done, you can use this as a cup and go about your business. How cute is this? This is so ideal to take on a trip. It don't take a lot of space, but you guys know we gotta put it to test. So let's make a smoothie and see what happens. All right, guys. So I did went ahead and clean that little blender. Of course, we want clean stuff when we do anything. So I am going to make this green passion smoothie. So I have some mangoes and some peaches and some strawberries that were frozen. Roughly a cup to a cup and a half. I didn't really measure. Okay. So now I am going to add some spinach. You can use fresh or frozen spinach. Totally up to you. I am going to be needing some ice, which I should have grabbed. But this is the passion fruit. I'm using, you guys know I'm Haitian or I'm Caribbean. Every Caribbean household have this. So I am going to add about a cup, let's say. Of course, I'm not measuring. And I am going to grab that ice, put in that ice, and then we can go ahead and start blending. All right, so now I have some ice. I'm going to go ahead and drop some ice in there. I should not be drinking this. It is currently minus 42 degrees. That's with the wind chill, but otherwise it's like 18 degrees out here in North Dakota. Lord, why am I here again? Why am I here? But you guys, it is so cold. It is crazy. Seems like I have just a little bit too much ice. So I am just gonna go ahead and close this and then we can start blending. Okay. Now we can start blending. So give it a shake. Just go ahead and put it right in there. Just like that. What I do like to do with any blender, I do like to just shake it a little bit, okay? And I don't think I need more juice, but if you guys need more juice, you can definitely add more. Maybe I'm going to add just a little bit more juice. This is why you should measure, but you guys get the concept, okay? Just add a little more juice so it can blend easier. But other than that, you guys, look at that. I know it's better than the blender that I do have. So I am super excited. I'm making a whole mess. Hold on, guys. Okay, I had created a little mess. Obviously, this is all my fault. Nothing to do with the blender, guys. So again, I shake it up, okay? Wipe everything and start again. All right, guys, my smoothie is all done. Let me move the base to the side and let's see what we got here. Oh, this looks so good, you guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. It blends so nicely and it did not take long at all. And this is my favorite part. I'm going to take the other top and just put it on. And just like that, this is really on the go. You didn't really have to make a whole lot of mess, okay? I'm going to shake it up just a little bit so I can taste. You guys, don't forget to check the description box where I will list every information about this blender. And of course, check them out on their social media. Check my social media out as well, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload. As always, I hope you guys try these recipes. I hope you guys take advantage of these little product reviews and order you on. Again, thank you for sending me this product. I love you guys for watching. Let me taste this to see what I think. Oh my God, it's so good. You guys make sure you try this. I love you. Like I said, as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see you guys in the next video. Continue to stay safe. Bye-bye.